This is prompt 17 of the Great Copilot Journey. Just came out of a productive meeting? Keep the momentum going by following up with your colleagues with the help of Microsoft 365 Copilot. Start a new email in Microsoft Outlook, click the Copilot icon, and practice this prompt throughout the day. Write a follow-up email, insert the meeting name to drive continued progress. Then ask Copilot to include action items or list the pros and cons of what was discussed. To learn more or see what's ahead in your journey, you can visit aka.ms/Great Copilot Journey.